Hello everyone, this is Aya, and today I would like to share with you all my art books. I have books for mixed media, for watercolor, for collage, and for drawing. So I have here my first book, and the book called Mixed Media Masterpieces. It's very simple that show you how to make mixed media projects or art. So we will give you here, for example, the project, then steps how to make this project. Very simple, straightforward, and I feel the materials that they're using, it's from our home. You need for something special, for stamps or dies, you can just find fussy cutting. This paper maybe from a book, magazine, newspaper, acrylic paint, some ribbons. Very fun. And here also clay, using clay projects. I'll just have like quick flip through. Very simple, like color wash, add some paper. It's like collage or art journal even. Yeah, love this book. Very nice and simple. Okay, next book, this one called Creative Girl Mixed Media Technique by Daniela. She's an amazing artist. So here she shares, look for her drawings. Supplies she's using here, and she will share how to draw. She will teach you also how to draw these, houses, doors, some techniques, how to use die cuts and papers. What else? Yeah, simple washes, the color, beautiful, and how to also stick some papers and cut them if you don't have stamps or dies. Working with white on wood. She's really amazing. How to can draw and fussy cut it, and maybe you can use it in any project. She will. Nice. She suits on a fabric. Yes. Okay. So this is an amazing book. This one called Creative Girl. Next book, this one called Watercolor for Absolute Beginner. To be honest, I didn't like this book because it's very I don't know what's the right word. It focus, on light, perspective, measuring, make everything, equal. Where is the point, horizontal line? And I don't do that anyway. I don't draw like this. So I feel this is complicated. Maybe if you're professional, watercolors, maybe you need to learn these stuff and these perspectives. But for me, no. And also, drawing like this, not my style. Anyway, I don't, draw using watercolor. Some technique, left paintings, splattering. If you want to do one layer of, you can do like a drawing only, choosing only, why I can't say, choose one color, brown. So, I don't know if you're interested. Anyway, I'm going to leave the names in the description box. They all from Amazon. Next book, this is my favorite book. One of my favorite book. This one, Create Your Life book by Tamara. Tamara is an amazing mixed media artist. So the thing about her that she draws faces, and I think she has also stamps, and she can create like mixed media or big canvas using her technique. Let me show you. For example, this one, beautiful girl, with some colors, and she using this oil crayons, I think, to have this beautiful effects and colors. You have your wings, so you can follow the steps. I want really to try to do something like this. Beautiful. Yeah. Okay, so this is by Tamara. Next book is for drawing. It's for me and for my daughter, to be honest. This is Drawing Cute, and this book is really cute. You see? Oh my! How to draw a sheep with the steps. So my daughter likes, you know, these kind of books teach you know how to draw. Me too. And also, if you want to do your own stamps, you can learn how to do that. And my son behind me, so cute. Nice. It's like a straightforward book. Next book's the same, also drawing Chibi characters. Yeah. I think in order to be like a good illustrator, you need just to practice, you know, drawing. Again, straightforward book. But it's so cute. Very cute. Next book, this is an old one, bought it like 5 years ago. And this one has, first she will tell you types or the names of the flowers. Then this is all these flowers printed on watercolor papers, and you just keep practicing. So yeah, not the best thing, but just still practicing and learning. So if you're interested, I think she has so many like nature, animals, birds. Again, names will be in the description box, like encyclopedia, yeah, you know that word. For surface treatment workshop for mixed media. So have, you know, these like scientific names, or you know the true words or the true names, you know, for techniques for the mixed media. Very, very deep and explain a lot of techniques and some stuff that you know you use it, but most of the techniques that I don't know about them, to be honest. And really, those who like these kind of effects, this book is really nice. And there is another book I'm gonna show it to you in a second. Yeah, nice book. Okay, because they are not in order. So this is also for drawing. This is also step-by-step drawing people. This is very easy, straightforward book. You see the steps? Cute. Okay. Next book also for our journal mixed media, called Storytelling, our studio. So here, how you can tell a story through your drawing or your art. So for example, he take you how to make a background and how to seek a balance there. Then she only did the background. Okay, so maybe here, yeah, she will draw this girl, some steps, what things she will use, you know, black, white pen, color, you know, color swatch. Really nice. This kind of stuff that really took my heart. Jibril, as you see here. Oh, that's very beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. Next book. This book is called Arabic Patterns. This book, I bought it from Granada, Spain. We were visiting Alhambra Palacio. I'm not sure if my Spanish is correct or not, but anyway, I studied Spanish for 5 years. I really love this language. Anyway, so they were selling this Arabic pattern or Islamic patterns. So my son, of course, or my daughter, maybe, I don't know. So, you know, this can, you know, you can make it as a background for your card, stencil. I really like it. Next book, this one, I really love it. This one called 50 Ways to Draw Your Beautiful Ordinary Life. And it's very simple, really. And you see? Steps. And I think how to watercolor them. And here's some examples, and you have white or blank paper so you can practice. Mural. Oh, and they have some like I don't know what you call this. Then here, I don't know, this is like a template for you. Your turn to draw. I think, yeah, they have another one to try to draw and color. This book is amazing. I mean, it's huge. And again, I don't know why they put cardstock, I'm not sure. This one, if you want to draw some maybe outfits for them. Dress me up, yeah. Yeah, this also came with the book, like notebook and postcards, so you can draw and send to your friends. This book is really, really nice. Okay, for people who like to learn how to draw botanical, so this book is really nice, also called Botanical Line Drawing. Leaves. Very simple and easy. Step 1, 2, 3. And this is a place to practice. Okay, so the leaves. Leaves. It's full, of course. Flowers. Different shape and kinds of flowers. Cool. And easy, really. Next, this is my daughter's favorite Doodle class, Kawaii. I don't know how to pronounce it. And you see, it's used. It's very cute, you know. You see, sushi, onigiri, I don't know, smoothie, and how to draw and color. Super duper cute. And here, Doodle Party, have a blank page to practice. Yes, yes, Chibrino. Love it, love this book. Okay, then we have one of my favorite books, also Creative Watercolor by Anna Victoria. I took some of her classes on Skillshare, and I will not go through everything. I'm gonna leave the link because I did full video about it, so I will leave it in the suggestion videos. But also she, you know, teach you how to do and draw and color. Beautiful book. Okay. Yes. Next book, How to Draw Almost Every Day. And I'm not sure her drawing reminds me of one of the illustrators for Waffle Flower. I'm not sure if she is the same. I don't know what's her name anyway. I don't know. Okay. Very simple, easy. For example, winter. So what things goes with winter, so you can draw. So you have water, cupcake. I think this is not goes with winter. I don't know. January, February, March. That's very cute. I think she's the one who, you know, drew for Waffle Flower. I'm sure. Do you have a stamps or something? No. Anyway, okay. So she has a book. Cute. Faces, you know, expressions. My son's playing with my molds. Super duper cute. Okay. Next book. This one, 101, more for mixed media, also techniques. Nice, easy book. I mean, easy to understand, and it's not like not like the other book, you know, with so many, you know, words and techniques, and just to write the materials and what to do. Handmade fluff, impulsing, drips, drop sprays, pastel. Sorry. Yeah, very nice book, really. Next book, this one called Delight and the Art of Collage. This book is also very cool, and it reminds me of the first book I showed you. You feel that this is some stuff from this, from, you know, you can you know, design these stuff from the materials that you have at home. You see buttons, paper, wood, and she would take you the steps, you know, like old ribbon, not ribbon, it's like dentelle, and she used glue gun and put some pearls in the middle, and she called it bird's nest. Very nice, really love it. Okay, and some projects. Here's the project and here's the steps, and here is the metal. Reminds me also of Tim Holtz, you know, projects. Oh, and some templates here also, patterns. Okay, this is really nice book. The last book also, I did whole video about it. I'm gonna leave it in the description box. This is by Daniela, also the Creative Watercolor. Very beautiful book, and I love how she put all the colors together. You know, the greens, and there is here her character. She has the stamps also. I will not go through details because it's 17 minutes already. Yeah, I will link for the video where I showed everything in this book. So here is my books that I really love, and I like, you know, to check them. To be honest, I don't check them, you know, on regular basis because sometimes I take, you know, classes, you know, online classes. But it's good you have, you know, some reference for you. Yeah, I'm going to leave the names in the description box. All these books from Amazon. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give me a like, leave me a comment down below, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.